Amar. Eu quero amar. Amar perdidamente. Amar só para amar. Aqui além, mas este aquele outro é todo existe. Amar, amar. E não amar ninguém. Recordar, esquecer, indiferente. Prender o desaprender, é mal, é bem. Quem disser que se pode amar alguém durante a vida inteira é porque mente. Há uma primavera em cada vida, é preciso sentá-la assim florida, pois se Deus nos devos foi para cantar, esse dia é de ser pó, cinza e nada, que seja a minha noite uma alvorada, que me saiba perder, para me encontrar. Florbela Espanca was born in the provincial town of Vila Viçosa near Évora, Portugal, on December 18, 1894. She is one of Portugal's most known and loved poets. She was a child of a young housemaid who worked at his father's house, a businessman named João Maria Espanca. She was considered as an illegitimate child at the beginning of the 20th century, a period known as the First Republic, which was a time of great religious influence and conflict in Portugal. Espanca's poetry emphasizes the feminine perspective, taking freedom from the limitations imposed by prejudiced society due to her rough childhood. Each poem presents a passionate use of prominent imagery from nature, paganism, religion, and symbolism to manifest her longing. She began writing poetry at an early age. A Vida e a Morte, translated as Life and Death, was written when she was only 8 years old. After went through 3 times marriages and 2 times divorces, she wrote Amar, one of her most famous poetries that expressed her desire to love freely, which was a revolutionary idea at the time. Here's a little bit of analyzation of the lyrics in Amar poetry. In the first verse, there is already this concentration in the I, or eu, and in this need to love. As you can see, it is not directed love, but self-directed. To love just for the sake of love, or amar só por amar. It is not directed at a specific person, but at love as an element of crossing and passing. Knowing the depth and variety of loves, the poetic voice relativizes as the act of loving is fluid and fluctuates in its inconstancy. There is love that remembers, there is love that forgets, there is love that holds or detaches, and even good and bad loves. And there are loves that bring it all together, alternating. In verses 7 and 8, the romantic ideal of love of a lifetime is broken, casting it as a lie. With this, Florbela does not mean that you cannot love someone, but that this feeling is highly changeable, since people themselves are transformed and life itself changes. At the last part, which is noted down, the poetic voice shows that instead of non-existent immortal love, what stands out is a love that is lost and found, like a phoenix which is reborn from the ashes themselves. That is, in the poetry of Florbela Espanca, the symbolic death of love occurs so that it can return much stronger, much broader, much more complete. After 2 unsuccessful attempts of suicide, Espanca died on her 36th birthday on December 8, 1930. Florbela Espanca wrote mostly in the sonnet form, but also contributed writing articles for periodicals of the time. A statue dedicated to her can be seen in the Parque dos Poetas, just outside Lisbon in Oeiras. A statue of her could also be found at her hometown in Vila Viçosa and at Jardim Público Parque, Évora, Portugal.